Have you heard Instagram Reels just came out with some brand new features, and here they are in a quick list. So, first of all, you have Reels trends. Now, from one spot only, you can figure out exactly what's trending all over the world with Reels trends. Number two, editing just got a lot more dynamic. Now you can put audio and video layers on your Instagram Reels in the different time increments along your timeline. Fabulous. Next, we have brand new analytics that allow you to see your average watch time and your total watch time for your Instagram Reels, which means you can now figure out exactly what your audience wants. And bonus, you get up to 5 links in your profile now instead of just the one. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments exactly which ones you will be incorporating into your Instagram. If you want to see a video on this live preview, you can go ahead and check in on my YouTube channel tomorrow because I'll be going ahead and showing you all those features from my iPhone. Bye.